Hey everybody, welcome to another XGUI video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an editor window. It's pretty easy, this won't be a long video. So you go up to Window, you go to XGUI, you click Launcher, and right away, there it is, Editor Window. You click Editor Window, you give it a name. We're going to leave the path for the layout where it's at. We're going to leave it and create a new skin type. We're going to tell it to use the XGUI skin. Now what this does is you're telling it to copy the XGUI skin to a new name for this layout. If you'd selected use existing skin, it would tell your layout to just target the XGUI skin. The difference is you may want to change the skin, so that's what create new is for. And then menu link, this is for code generation. When it generates the code for your layout, if you wanted it to appear up here, this would be the string you'd put in for the menu link, but we're not going to do that right now. So we're just going to hit create. And there we go. There is the editor with our layout. It's pretty empty right now, so you got to fill it in and stuff, but that's how easy it is. All right, thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.